Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm here at the park today. Just locked my car. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm going to be sharpening a couple knives today. I thought I'd show you what I do and the process. I'm also going to be working with a new product as well it's new to me. It's this Lansky honing oil. I was watching my buddy John Campbell sharpen some of his knives, and he was using it. So out of curiosity, I went and ordered some. And yeah, so I'm gonna get working. I'll show you the hardware, and I'm gonna show you the blades, and we'll get sharpening. Oh yeah, quick disclaimer: I'm not a pro sharpener, so you know, I do it because I like it. But you know, I mean, I like the Waterstones, or in this case, I'm gonna be using honing oil. But I've seen the power tools, and you know, they're okay. I've never used them, but yeah, let's get to it. So here are the stones. Well, the stone I'm going to be using, it's one of those combo stones, coarse and then finer. This side's the finer side. This side's the coarse side. I forget the numbers, and they're not written anywhere on them. It's one of those Japanese stones. The box is all in kanji and Japanese writing. But I used the Google Translators, hoping I would get the numbers. I could have taken a Sharpie and wrote it on the end here, but couldn't find it. I'm not going to use it, but I also have a puck as well, which is dual side, you know, rough and then finer. And then I also got this is a leather strop, which I actually bought. I forget where I bought it from, but it's one of those ones you can just hook onto something and you can strap it. But I might strap it right here on the bench. So here's the honing oil I bought from Lansky. So this is the 4-ounce bottle, and I also got a 1-ounce bottle. I figured since I was ordering, I figured I could pair these two together like that if I wanted to take it travel. But for now, we're just going to use the honing oil. So here are the knives I'm going to be sharpening. I've got my beloved Becker BK7. It really needs an edge on it. Then we got the Mora Companion. And I got the LT Wright GNS. I thought I'd also would touch up my EDC blade. This is the Ontario Route 1. And it's not dull. I just thought I would touch up the blade a little bit. I'll probably just use the finer side on the stone and then strop it. All right, we're gonna start with the BK7. And I got some paper towel here just to keep the bench here clean because I'm at the park. Oh. I really absorbed in there. So. Dang it. I forgot to count the first time I went down, so that was just silly of me. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm doing 10 and then 10. I also want to make sure I get the tip as well, so I'm going to specifically do just a little bit more oil here. That was 6. Looking pretty good. I don't know if the focus will show, but yeah, I'm gonna work on the companion. Well, Scandy's really easy. Just set it down, tilt it so you can feel it. If you can see that, okay. Almost 5. Come on. That's 5. Moving around all over the place. Oh, that was 10. Dang it. Do a few passes with my G&S. Same thing with the Mora. Just set it flat and just tilt it so you feel it. That was 10. want to touch up my EDC blade as well. So as I said, I have been doing a lot of this off camera too, so I'm going to go ahead and strop these. I should have a flatter surface to work on, but oh yeah, that feels real good. Strop the rest too, so it'll strop a lot of, I'll do a lot of this off camera, but I might take these home too and just work on them while I'm watching YouTube, because this is not very smooth and I can feel it underneath the blade, like it's kind of bouncing along the grain of the wood. Now I could carabiner this off and just hang it and then strop, but you know, it's good. Just kind of giving you the general idea. And the more yeah, I'm gonna probably take this home and strop these in a better area. Now I noticed with the stone I push forward, but the strop I pull back. So you know, not too bad looking. All right, well there we go. I think you guys get the general idea of what I do. Like I said, I did a lot of that off camera, just be, you know, so you guys wouldn't have to sit there and watch me. And yeah, I gotta strop them when I get home. I wasn't happy with the table being all rough, so I'll probably just go home, watch videos, and just, because I don't really have to, it's not like you have to sit there and watch what you're doing. You're just rubbing it back and forth. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Description, or put them in the comment section. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you soon. I'm hoping the weather gets nice so I can hit some woods. Getting a little anxious for some dirt.